Looking for the best child and baby bike seats to keep your little one safe and comfortable on every ride? You've come to the right place. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you discover the best products for your lifestyle. Stick around as we explore top options that combine safety, durability, and comfort. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful product guides. Number 1. Hamax Caress. What really makes the Hamax Caress stand out is its uniquely universal mounting system. Many bikes have wires on the seat tube that prevent you from using a frame-mounted seat. But the design of the Hamax Caress mounting block makes these wires a non-issue, making it compatible with many more bikes than your average frame-mounted seat. And if for some reason your bike still doesn't work, there's always the rack-mounted version. With durable construction, quick and easy adjustments, variable reclining up to 20 degrees, suspension for a smooth ride, and shoulder straps enveloped in soft and slightly tacky foam to prevent them from sliding off little shoulders. The Hamax Caress has plenty of comfort and safety features that make it a worthy investment. We especially appreciate that the Hamax Caress rack-mounted comes with suspension, which is very rare for rack-mounted seats. Number 2. Topeak Baby Seat 2. If you know that your bike doesn't work with a frame-mounted seat and you need a rack-mounted seat, the Topeak Baby Seat 2 with an included rack is a simple choice. With all the racks on the market, it can be confusing to find a rack that will work with your child bike seat. Topeak takes that frustration factor out of the equation. The Baby Seat 2 is also unique because it attaches to the rack via a proprietary mounting system that simply clicks into place and is much faster to mount and unmount than other rack-mounted seats. Rack mounting info. Comes with a rack for mounting, different options for standard brakes or disc brakes. There is not an option for mounting on the frame of the bike. Features: wraparound design for extra protection, suspension. Soft mesh layered padding, variable height footrest, easy on and off. Number 3. Rider. A soft saddle, soft handlebar grips, and footrests make for a comfortable ride for kids, while parents will appreciate the rubber-lined legs that help protect your frame from scratches. Age range: 24 months to 5 years, up to 60 pounds. Mounting info: mounts on the headset and the seat post. Headset mounting spacer required. Features: open setup and low-placed saddle provide much more space for the parent rider. U-shaped saddles keeps kids in place on rougher terrain. No frame contact. Quick-release designing makes the Rider seat super easy to install and remove without any tool. 60 seconds install, 30 seconds remove. Based on the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission, safety standards, and human engineering design, the Rider Kids Bike Seat will let your kids to have the same vision as you and explore the beautiful world together. Number 4. Thule Yep 2 Maxi. If you're planning to take your little one for a ride on your e-bike, the Thule Yep 2 Maxi is a fantastic choice. Its waterproof design, suspended seat, tall backrest, and excellent ventilation make it a comfortable option for both short rides around town and longer adventures. Plus, with 3 different mounting options, frame, rack, and MIC HD rack, a common feature on many cargo e-bikes, the Yep 2 Maxi is our top pick for e-bikes. While the Yep 2 Maxi stands out for its quality and ease of use, we did find that the buckle on our test samples wasn't entirely child-proof, as a few of our testers managed to unbuckle themselves. However, after speaking to Thule, as well as other reviewers and parents, we haven't come across anyone else reporting the same issue. Wage range: 1 year to 40 pounds, 48.5 pounds in Europe. Mounting info: 6 inches needed to mount bracket on seat tube, clear of wires or eyelets on bike's frame for mounting a rack. Number 5. Peg Perigo Orion. For the low price, there's not much you can complain about with the Orion. While not as high quality as the other seats we recommend, we do appreciate its unique mounting system that works for bikes with little or no room on the headset for a mounting bracket. And because it attaches to the head tube of the bike instead of the headset, the bike seat stays stationary when you turn the handlebars. With the weight of the seat always in the same spot, the center of balance is more consistent, which is an advantage for adult riders that struggle a bit with balance. The seat is small compared to other front-mounted seats, so as your child grows, the seat will provide less coverage. Additionally, the detachable handlebar only works for kids up to 22 pounds, so the Orion does begin to be less of a bargain as your young toddler grows older.